Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to use Proxy on Brave browser. So guys, in order for you to do this process, first things first is open up your Brave browser. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the top right corner, which is the three lines over here. So go ahead and select that. And now from here, guys, you will have an option over here, settings down below. Click on this one. And from here on the settings, you will have an option over here, which is the system down below on the left side of the screen. And now from here, as you can see, you could utilize the Brave VPN and you could turn this on, or you could go for open your computer's proxy settings. So from here, click on this one in order for you to utilize the proxy of the Brave browser. And now from here, I'm gonna go for automatically detect settings. You can turn this on. And if you want to use a setup script, you can set up over here and you can turn this on and provide the script address if you want to proceed with this process. And you could also go for a manual proxy setup, and you could just simply select setup over here in order for you to provide the proxy IP address, the port, and pretty much add information over here. Another option that you could try is go to chromewebstore.google.com, and from here you could utilize the search bar and search for any proxy extensions that you might want to consider, and these extensions might help you out to do the process using the Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all, and see you in the next video.